Outdoor BBQ Grilling Station / How to build. Propane gas and charcoal grill combo. Royal Gourmet propane gas and charcoal grill combo. Before, the old charcoal grill was falling apart after 10 years. After, the new grill completed, with stone veneer. The dual-fuel barbecue grill has 3-burner 25,500 BTU cabinet gas and charcoal grill combo. Total cost includes grill from Amazon $350, wood from Lowe's $40, stone veneers from Lowe's $110, mortar cement $40, countertop tiles from Home Depot $100. Total $640. I bought a propane gas and charcoal grill combo and assembled it. I drew a sketch of how it will need to look when completed. I build the cabinet wooden frame, then attach the doors from the old grill. I covered the sides with water-resistant fiber cement backer board. For the countertop, I bought marble-looking 28 by 48 inches porcelain floor tiles. Total cost $100. I installed the tiles as the countertop. I grilled some steaks to test the grill on the charcoal side. I installed solar motion lights so I can grill at night. This time I grilled some ribs also on the charcoal side. I added wood trim pieces to create the countertop thickness. It is time to make homemade brick templates. Let me say this was a bad idea. I attached the template temporarily to the wall and added wires for strength. I mixed mortar cement with water. I applied the mortar to the sides on the template but would not stick to the cement board. Total fail. I decided to make individual bricks on the countertop. I poured the mortar into the template. I removed the template and left the new bricks to dry for a few days. Meanwhile, it is time to grill some ribs again. I grilled the ribs, then wrapped in foil for 1 hour. When the bricks dried, I realized it will take forever to make all the bricks I needed. I grilled some Australian goat ribs to give me energy to come up with alternative bricks. Lighted the charcoal, and when the embers turned red, it was time to barbecue. First I smoked the meat with charcoal fire. Then wrapped in foil and placed in the gas grill with one burner on at lowest setting for 1 hour. I found a deal for split face stones veneer for 6 by 16 inches for $9, total cost $110. These are Satori 4.41 square foot seaside coast stone veneer, regular price $33.98, on sale for $9. I mixed the white mortar, which is recommended for this white stones. I applied a thin layer and placed the stones on the side and pressed firmly. Almost done with installing the stones, but it is time to grill some pork ribs on the gas grill. I completed installing the stones. It is time to celebrate with another round of goat ribs. Yama choma. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Yama choma. Let's eat, y'all. Yeehaw.